Troubleshooting tips to resolve spinning issue in top load washing machine. Check the balance and adjust the legs. Run an empty cycle in spin mode. Do not overload the machine. Try washing fewer clothes. Ensure the drain pipe is properly placed. The length of the pipe should not exceed 3 meters. The pipe must directly connect to the drain hole without any obstacles. Ensure the hose and outlet are at the same level. Remove the drain pipe. Rinse it under running water. Reattach it carefully.